In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can add card to MoonPay. Adding a card allows you to buy crypto instantly, so here's how you can do it safely on MoonPay. So listen carefully to every step that I will be explaining. So the first thing that you will have to do is open your MoonPay and log into your account. And once you've logged in, you have to ensure that you've already created a profile and verified your account and activated your portfolio for smooth transactions. So once that's all set, you will just have to go to the payment method. So it should be somewhere right here. It really depends on the layout of your screen, so you just gotta explore this so that you will be able to actually see that. So yeah, once you see the payment methods, you will just have to select that and then click add card, and then you will enter the card number, the expiration, the CVV, and billing address and all that stuffs, and verify the card via OTP if prompted by your bank. And then the card will appear under the payment methods and it should be ready for purchases. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.